Astronomers confirm that the giant asteroid Apophis will not impact our Earth. A few years ago, astronomers ruled out the chance of a potentially hazardous asteroid named Apophis redirecting and hitting Earth as it whizzes by. That's a huge relief, but we were not entirely out of the woods. We've seen, thanks to the double asteroid redirect test, that it is possible to change the orbital course of an asteroid by smacking it with something. There are a lot of space rocks floating around out there in interplanetary space. What if one of them collided with Apophis? What if it knocked Apophis off its current course? What if the new trajectory was a collision course with Earth? Well, you can relax. Astronomer Paul Wiegert of Western University and Ben Hyatt of University of Waterloo in Canada have projected the orbits of over 1.3 million known asteroids in the inner solar system and reached a comforting conclusion. Not a single asteroid is going to collide with Apophis in the next few years. Hyatt says, given how closely Apophis will pass Earth, there is a possible risk that a deflection from its current trajectory may move Apophis closer to impacting us. Hypothetically, another asteroid colliding with Apophis could cause such a deflection, motivating us to study the scenario, however unlikely it may be. Apophis was discovered in 2004 and immediately assessed as a potential threat. Early projections suggest that it had a very worrying 2.7% chance of slamming into Earth on its 2029 flyby. That was ruled out pretty quickly, but Apophis's orbit brings it to an Earth flyby every 8 years. It took until astronomers made new precise measurements of the asteroid's position during its 2021 flyby to rule out the possibility for the foreseeable future. And that was great news, but there's something rather existentially alarming about the threat of an asteroid impact. There's so very little that we can reasonably do about it unless we have a lot of advance warning, because Apophis used to represent the biggest threat in that direction. Astronomers are keen to rule out all possibilities. So Wiegert and Hyatt got to simulating. Based on the current data, there's no risk of collision. Apophis may pass another asteroid called Xanthus in December 2026 with 10,000 kilometers, that's 6,200 miles, within 6,200 miles, which is very close as we can understand. They won't hit, but it is possible that any unseen debris tagging along with Xanthus, if it exists, could hit Apophis. But the risk of that, according to the simulations, is negligible. We calculated the paths of all known asteroids using a detailed computer simulation of our total our solar system, and the possibility of such an unlikely event was evaluated, Wiegert says. Fortunately, no such collisions are anticipated. So all we have to worry about now is unknown asteroids. The pair's research has been accepted into the Planetary Science Journal and is available on preprint Survey ARXIV. This is by Michelle Starr on Science Alert. Please leave your comments and thank you for your support. Kindly support my Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box below.